What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. This one is a tiny little rugged smartphone. How little is this one? Let me show you. You have already seen that when this one is on my palm, almost 18 to 22% of my palm is still empty. So yeah, this one is very small. But this one comes with a few nice and interesting features. This one comes with a 4-inch display panel. Yeah, this is a LCD panel, but this is a QHD plus panel and supports 16 million colors and comes with a very good contrast ratio, 1300:1. So yeah, that's a very nice contrast ratio for any LCD panel. The name of this rugged smartphone is KingKong Mini2 PRO and this one is from Cubot. This one got 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, but we can always upgrade the storage through an expansion slot with a microSD card, and we can use up to 128GB microSD card. Also, there are two dedicated dual SIM slots, so yeah, we can use the microSD card and two SIM cards at the same time. This one is powered by Helio P22, so for such a small rugged smartphone, this one is overpowered, I think. This one got a very big engine for a small body. There is a 13 megapixel sensor at the back and a 5 megapixel sensor in front for selfie photos. As this is a very small tiny little smartphone, this one comes with a 3000 mAh battery, and I think that's good enough because I have managed to squeeze days after days of battery life from this one. So yeah, even if it sounds like only 3000 mAh, but considering its display panel, SoC and all other features, the battery size is actually even bigger than what is required. Well, as usual, we will start from unboxing, then we will check the display panel, speaker quality, and we will also check whether we can do some gaming or not, how good is the camera performance. We will check everything, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and support this channel by subscribing to this channel. Wow, when I've said okay, even my thumb looks a lot bigger than this smartphone. Well, let's start from unboxing. This is our KingKong Mini2 PRO. After opening the top lid, there goes our KingKong Mini 2. Let's put the smartphone aside. There are a few compartments. In one compartment, we have got a 5-watt charger, a USB-C based wired headphones, a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and in another compartment, okay, there is a screwdriver. But why? Why do they have provided a screwdriver? We'll know about this soon. I really like the quick start guides of all Cubot products. They always print the quick start guide on a very good quality paper. There are a lot of illustrations and everything is described in easy words. So it's very easy to understand. They have also provided a warning card that this one comes with an undetachable battery. Yeah, you cannot detach the battery, so don't try to do that. There are some papers with compliance regulation information. Well, that's all that we have got inside the box. Now, what about this screwdriver? Yeah, actually to access the SIM slot and SD card slot, we have to unscrew a part of the rear panel. It's not very difficult, it's very easy, but as this smartphone is a rugged smartphone and as this is a water and dust proof smartphone, so Cubot has decided to do it in a different way to protect the smartphone. This is the rear panel, look at this. After unscrewing two screws, here comes the rear panel and here comes the SIM slots and the SD card slot. I have already mentioned we can use up to 128GB SD card on this smartphone, and yeah, we can also use two SIM cards alongside a SD card at the same time. Super crazy cool. I really like this. And the whole thing is protected by a good plastic. So yeah, this is definitely water and dust proof. It's really very easy to unscrew and open the rear panel, and yeah, it's even easier to put it back. But please don't try to use the same screwdriver to unscrew the other screws because the screws are not the same and you are actually not allowed to open those screws. You can clearly see that they have added a warranty sticker on one of these screws, so if you break this sticker then your warranty will be voided. Well, let's talk about the appearance and build quality. Definitely this one will get 100 out of 10 for a different type of appearance. This one actually got a very cute appearance and outlook and super unique. Personally, I have never seen such a device that comes with a rear panel that can be opened through screws, And yeah, even this Cubot logo in the center of this back panel, this one even looks good. They have printed C, UKC and the name Mini2 Pro, everything at the rear panel, but it's so subtle that it's not that visible. And altogether, this has its own unique appearance, design language. So yeah, I'm in love with this design language. There are two sensors at the rear panel, but one of those are auxiliary sensor and another is a 13 megapixel main sensor. The sidebars are metal, but at the rear panel on top and at the bottom, Cubot has used some very good quality polycarbonate to give this KingKong Mini2 Pro rigidness and a rugged style. And it's not only a design, this one actually supports the phone. Like if you accidentally drop the phone, yeah, there is support and protection everywhere. As I have been telling that these sidebars or side panels are actually built with metal, this doesn't only gives protection, it also looks better and in hand gives much more premium feelings. I really like this tiny design because I can hold this in my hand without any issue. I get very good grip, and yeah, one more time for build quality, this one will definitely get 10 out of 10. Now it's time to go through this smartphone. Now it's time to check its features and quality of the display panel. I personally really like this display panel because even if this one is a tiny little 4-inch display panel, this one comes with very high PPI, I mean pixel per inch density, and yeah, I have already mentioned earlier, this one has very good contrast ratio like 1300 to 1, and this one goes very bright under bright sunlight. Also, even if this is a LCD panel, this one offers crisp and clear, very sharp picture quality. I'm gonna play a video that I play on all of my smartphones to test the display panel. Let's play this video, let's check by yourself and you decide whether this one is actually that good or not.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing.
Now let's talk about the loudspeaker. There is actually a single loudspeaker. This one is bottom rear part and I think this one performs very well. I'm super satisfied with its performance. Now you check by yourself, you listen to it. I'm gonna play the same music that I always play on all of my smartphones. Let's test it. Let's listen to some music.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more.
I really like that Cubot has protected this USB-C panel because this is a rugged smartphone and this one is water and dust proof. So yeah, they needed to do this, and the thing is that this protective cover is actually a very good quality one. Many other rugged smartphones also comes with a protective cover which gets broken after a few days, but this protective cover is actually built with premium materials and it's soft but offers full protection. Well, let's see the charging speed of this KingKong Mini2 Pro from Cubot. Even if this smartphone comes with a 5-watt charger, this smartphone can get charged at 6.2 watt. Wow, that's super cool. Yeah, as this one comes with a 3000 mAh battery, 6 watt is good enough. It takes more than an hour to get fully charged, but when it's totally charged, this one offers days after days of battery life. I have actually managed to squeeze up to 5 days of battery life, which is insane considering a 3000 mAh battery. But if you like to play games, watch movies, then maybe we'll get 3 days of battery life. But even 3 days of battery life is super cool. As this one comes with a Helio P22 SoC, yeah, definitely we can play games. Maybe we cannot play games like Genshin Impact, but we can play games, and I have enjoyed playing games on this smartphone. Wait, when I have said I have enjoyed playing games on this smartphone, I didn't mean that this smartphone can be used as a gaming smartphone, but if you wanna play games on this one, it won't be a torture. Like, you won't feel lagging, The games that this one supports, the games for entertainment, offers a very good performance. I'm gonna play one game in real time, and yeah, let's check whether there is any lagging or not, because sometimes we speed up the gameplay session so we cannot check the lagging, but here I'm gonna keep it in real time so you can check whether there is any lagging or not.
Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing.
Well, we have talked about display performance, speaker performance, we have checked gaming performance. Now it's time for camera performance. Let's check how good is the camera performance of this Cubot KingKong Mini2 PRO. I have tested this one side by side with a Poco smartphone. Yeah, price of that Poco smartphone is almost twice of this KingKong Mini2 PRO. But truly, I'm super surprised to see that this KingKong Mini2 PRO from Cubot with inferior hardware has almost beaten a Poco smartphone. You check by yourself and decide whether you are gonna give this Cubot KingKong Mini2 PRO a like or not. This is a tiny little rugged smartphone and comes with Android 11. Actually, this is stock Android 11, there is no skin, and Cubot always offers at least one major Android update. So if this one gets to Android 12, then that will be a great thing. But considering the price tag, considering the hardware and its features, Android 11 already offers a very smooth performance, and I have nothing to complain about this operating system. Well, I have left a link in the description box below. All the details are given in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead and check this product. If you have liked this video, if you have found this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside.